Hello everyone. So it's a Sunday again, Sunday evening, and that means we are here for weekly tech news. Now there are few great big tech news like Apple doing WWDC tomorrow, which should see new hardware, new software, iOS 16, Mac OS 16, all of that. A lot of beta software probably coming out. Um, some of the hardware like MacBook Air, whatever, coming out as well. So that is tomorrow. I'm sure a lot of people are really excited. We'll have Twitter buzzing with it, hashtags WWDC, whatever. So look out for that tomorrow. There's also a very important event on 7th, so day after tomorrow, which is the EU is meeting and finally finalizing the one standard cable, charging cable thing for all. So it has to be USB Type-C. Apple would probably move to USB Type-C as well, or they'll put a connector, bundle a connector if they can't do it. So USB Type-C everything for all the gadgets around the world is happening. EU is deciding that on 7th. Those are two big events. WhatsApp might get undo, delete, and edit messages soon, which is long overdue. Telegram has it, all the others have it, so WhatsApp should have edit message. And yeah, Amazon has a Mega Smartwatch Fest sales. It ends today. I checked it out for last 2 days. There's nothing amazing that I could find out. I mean, all the cheap watches, India-made watches, are there on discount, but that's about it. Not anything major like coming from Garmin or other ones like Wear OS watches, or nothing major. No amazing watch on discount. Pixel 6a leaked again. There was a second unboxing video. We can't wait for it. Hopefully it comes to India soon. I might get it. That might be my next phone. Android Auto for phones is going away. The drive mode will replace it. Google has been doing this, and of course talking with Google, replacing and doing away with things they have combined Duo and Meet, and so Duo will go away. It will be only one app, which is Meet. Crazy. Google can't decide what they do with their messaging and video apps, and they keep doing this. They keep bundling it and unbundling it, but hopefully one day they will make up their mind, have some apps, or one app or whatever. Okay. Meta made some changes to Reels, Instagram Reels, and Facebook's whatever it's called, Story, whatever. The Reels are now up to 90 seconds. They have some editing features. They're making it very much like TikTok. So they really want people to get off TikTok and just use Reels and Facebook Stories or whatever. Right. Xiaomi stopped software support for a dozen phones, including Redmi K20 series, the one that I have, Redmi K20 Pro. So I will get rid of it, exchange it for something. Let's see. Hopefully, the next sale, which is October, whenever is Diwali. Diwali sales, I'll get something. So that's the EU Meet I already covered. Google also disabled RCS messaging for business in India because there was crazy amount of spam. Kotak Bank, you are the biggest abuser of that. Bank Bazaar, a lot of loans and credit cards and all this. There was a lot of spam. Thankfully, Google finally took action. It was an amazing move, and they hope that businesses respect that and do not spam all of us. Galaxy Watch 5 and 5 Pro are confirmed with Samsung Health Beta app. It showed up there, and they might include a skin temperature sensor as well. I think that's about it. I've covered pretty much everything, for today. Thank you for being here. As always, if you like the video, you can subscribe, you can share it, and just come every weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, for Web3 news and tech news. I'll see you next week. Have a wonderful weekend.